How to fix Facebook Messenger, something went wrong. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Messenger, and now click on force stop right here, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back to the app informations page, click on data usage and disable the background data like this. Go back again and now open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.